Meanwhile, Jamaican fans will again get to watch the CPL on home soil for the first time since 2019 as the Kingsmen are set to play 4 games at Sabina Park. Defending CPL champions Trinbago Knight Riders have arrived on the island and are looking forward to the challenge of facing the Kingsmen, according to stand-in captain Akeal Hosein.
Well, yeah, we're here to get 2 points as well. We know the crowd does play a big factor, and you know they're very supportive of their home team, of their hometown heroes as well. Andre Russell, Rovman Powell. So we know what we're gonna come up against. But at the end of the day, once we cross the line, you know it's who played the best on that particular day.
Hosein is also excited about the CPL returning to Jamaica.
Yes, it's lovely to be back in Jamaica. So, you know, we urge the fans, even though we're the opposition team, we urge the fans to come out and support and give back that love and support to cricket. You know, it's back here. CPL is back here. We're very happy. I'm sure a lot of fans are excited. Come out and show that excitement and give us that nice buzzing crowd. We look forward to that.
Head of Public Relations of the CPL, Peter Miller, is promising an entertaining atmosphere across the 4 games at Sabina Park.
Yeah, always a big part of what makes Sabina Park so special is the party stand. The CPL will be nothing without its fans, so we're very much looking forward to being able to welcome them back to Sabina Park, have the amazing atmosphere that we know the Jamaicans are so famous for, and really give us a treat on and off the field as we do some really cool stuff to make it as impressive as possible experience for people and really good value for money.
The Kingsmen team lost their opening game in a final ball thriller against the Antigua and Barbuda Falcons, while the Trinbago Knight Riders opened their account with a win over the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots.